Hey guys, I am going to record our class connect lesson for this week. It's just going to be a short one because I just need to go over the installment buying lesson. You'll get this, I'll post it in the class and let you know when it's ready. But hopefully it doesn't take too long to process. Zoom's been going a little slow with that lately, I think because so many people are using Zoom right now. But hopefully it won't take too long and I'll get it posted and let you know. But I'm just going to make it quick and easy and do one example of an installment buying problem. If you're looking at your Module 3, Lesson 3 assignment, this will look just like it. Okay, I made up a new problem, but this is exactly how you work the ones that you see on your assignment if you haven't done that yet. So let's just jump in. We've got this problem. It says a computer chair you like costs $215 at the store. The store offers an installment plan of $25 down and monthly payments of $30 for 9 months. What's the total price of the chair using the installment plan and the cost of the credit? Okay, so we're going to use this installment plan that they've laid out here where we're going to pay $25 down and then we're going to make monthly payments for 9 months of $30 each month. Okay, so that's what we want to do first is just figure up how much the total cost would be using this installment plan. So we know that we're paying $25 down, which is like a fee that we're paying up front one time. So we're going to use that first. So total cost here, I'm going to put TC, total cost, $25 down one time. Then we also know that we're paying $30 9 times, right? Because it's for 9 months, $30 each month for 9 months. So if we pay $30 9 times, that's the same thing as saying 30 times 9. Okay, and then I need to put something between this and this. Okay, so I am going to do 30 times 9, and then I know I'm also paying $25 on top of that. So what needs to go in between is a plus sign. They need to be added. Okay, and that takes care of that installment plan. We've got our $25 down, and we've got our $30 for each month for 9 months. So now I can just solve this. So first I'm going to multiply because I know order of operations says to multiply before I add. So I need to multiply 30 times 9 first, and that's going to give me 270, and then bring down the 25 and the plus sign. Okay, and then to solve this the rest of the way, I'm just going to add those together. So 25 plus 270 would give me 295. So the total cost using the installment plan for the office chair is $295. Okay, so if I use the installment plan where I can buy the chair today, use the chair, but pay it off over time, that's going to cost me $295. Okay, a lot of times we do installment plans if we don't have the total amount, the $215 that it was on the sticker at the store. If we don't have that day, but we want to go ahead and purchase the item, that's one way that an installment plan can be useful. But as you can see, you're going to end up paying more for the item because the store is going to want to make some more profit if you're going to be able to take it home that day and not pay it off immediately. So the cost of the credit now is that extra profit that the store is making. So if you would have bought it for $215 that day, they would have made $215 off of you. But since you're taking it home and you're paying it off over time, they're going to charge you some more. So we want to find the cost of the credit, which is the difference between the total cost that we paid with the installment plan and the original price if we would have bought it outright. So we want to find the difference between the total cost and the original price to find the cost of the credit. So we are going to pay $295 if we use the installment plan. Difference is another word for subtract. And then we're going to take away the $215 that we would have paid if we could have bought it outright and find the difference. So $295 minus $215, and that's going to give us $80. So what we're saying is that if we use the installment plan, we're going to pay $80 more than if we could have just bought it outright. So sometimes that's something you want to ask yourself if you're considering an installment plan. Sometimes it may look tempting so that you don't have to pay everything right then. But if you really do the math and figure out the difference, if you have the $215 that day, that's probably going to be the better decision rather than spending 80 extra dollars on the same chair, right? It's the same chair. It's not getting any better over time if you use the installment plan. So those are some things that you want to ask yourself. But that's how you do those problems. Total cost is using the installment plan to figure it out. And the cost of the credit is just the difference between the original price and the total cost using the installment plan. So if you have any questions, just let me know.